This 2026 Winnebago Thrive 18 FBS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features a Modern Luxe interior, sleeps 4, external shower, skylight, oven, slide-out, awning, refrigerator, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, microwave, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Winnebago Thrive 18 FBS is 4,966 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.